Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of exporting a thread via Telegram in X. If you want to share a conversation or a thread from X with your Telegram contacts, we'll show you how to do it seamlessly. Let's dive right into this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Navigate to the specific thread or conversation that you want to share. Step 3. Tap on the share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards, and then select Share Via from the options that appear. Step 4. In the sharing options, locate and tap on the Telegram option. X will now open Telegram, allowing you to select the contacts or groups you want to share the thread with. By following these simple steps, you can easily export a thread via Telegram in X, making it convenient to share conversations, collaborate, or simply engage with your Telegram contacts. Sharing threads on Telegram provides a fast and secure way to connect with others, share information, or have discussions in groups. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to export a thread via Telegram in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.